From the moment we open our eyes, we are bombarded with questions. These questions can be simple, like what we will have for breakfast, or profound, like the meaning of life. They shape our thoughts and actions throughout the day. Why is the sky blue? How do birds fly? These seemingly simple questions have complex answers that scientists have spent years uncovering. What are stars made of? This question has led to the discovery of the elements that make up our universe, revealing the building blocks of everything we see. This innate curiosity is a fundamental part of what makes us human. From a young age, we are driven to explore, to understand, and to ask why. It is the driving force behind countless discoveries and innovations throughout history. From the invention of the wheel to the exploration of space, curiosity has been the catalyst for progress. Curiosity is a powerful tool. It encourages us to seek out new information, to learn and to grow. It pushes the boundaries of what we know and opens up new possibilities. It has the ability to propel us forward, both as individuals and as a society. Without curiosity, we would remain stagnant, never pushing the limits of our potential. It can lead us to new knowledge and understanding. Through curiosity, we can uncover the mysteries of the universe and make sense of the world around us. But curiosity is more than just a thirst for knowledge. It is a way of approaching the world with an open mind and a sense of wonder. It is a way of seeing the world as full of possibilities and opportunities for discovery. Whether we are exploring a new city or walking through a familiar forest, curiosity allows us to see things in a new light. Think about a time when you were deeply curious about something. What did you do? How did it feel? Did you dive into books, ask questions, or experiment to find the answers? Share your experience in the comments below. Your journey of curiosity could inspire others to embark on their own quests for knowledge. Your unique perspective could spark a fascinating one. By sharing our questions and discoveries, we can create a community of curious minds, eager to learn and grow together. Asking questions is not a sign of weakness. In fact, it is one of the most powerful tools we have at our disposal. When we ask questions, we are not just seeking answers, we are opening doors to new realms of understanding and knowledge. It is a sign of strength. It shows that we are willing to learn, to grow, and to challenge the status quo. By asking questions, we demonstrate our commitment to continuous improvement and our desire to push the boundaries of what is possible. When we ask questions, we acknowledge that we don't have all the answers. This humility is crucial because it allows us to be open to new ideas and perspectives. It fosters a culture of curiosity and innovation where everyone feels empowered to contribute their unique insight. We open ourselves up to new possibilities. Each question we ask can lead to a new discovery, a new way of thinking, or a new solution to a problem. It is through this process of inquiry that we can make meaningful progress and drive change. Every great discovery began with a question. From the smallest curiosity to the grandest inquiry, questions have the power to transform our understanding of the world. They are the starting point for exploration and innovation. Sir Isaac Newton wondered why apples fall from trees. This simple question led to the formulation of the laws of motion and universal gravitation, which revolutionized our understanding of the physical. Marie Curie questioned why certain materials glowed in the dark. Marie Curie questioned why rivers pass under and how they draw from the same river. Marie Curie questioned why certain materials glowed in the dark. Her relentless pursuit of answers led to the discovery of radioactivity, a breakthrough that has had profound implications for science and medicine. These simple questions led to groundbreaking discoveries that shaped our world. They remind us that no question is too small or insignificant. Every inquiry has the potential to unlock new knowledge and drive progress. Don't be afraid to ask why or how. Your curiosity is a powerful force that can lead to incredible discoveries. Whether you're exploring the mysteries of the universe or seeking to understand the world around you, your questions matter. Your questions, no matter how simple they may seem, are valuable. They are the seeds of innovation and the catalysts for change. By asking questions, you are contributing to a culture of curiosity and continuous learning. They have the power to ignite your imagination and lead you down unexpected paths. Embrace your curiosity, ask questions, and never stop seeking answers. Your curiosity counts, and it has the potential to change the world. Curiosity is the engine of progress. It is the spark that ignites the flame of innovation and discovery. From the earliest days of human history, curiosity has driven us to explore, to learn, and to grow. It is what drives us to explore the unknown, to venture into uncharted territories, and to seek out new knowledge and experiences, and to model evolution and grow farther from childhood. Currently on the planet, we outnumber them. Whether it's the vast expanse of space or the dense, mysterious jungles of our own planet, curiosity compels us to push beyond our limits. It motivates researchers to analyze data meticulously, engineers to test new technologies rigorously, and scientists to question the very fabric of our understanding. It is this relentless pursuit of knowledge that propels humanity forward, breaking new ground and uncovering the secrets of the universe. Without curiosity, we would be stuck in a state of stagnation. Our world would be devoid of the progress and advancements that have shaped our modern lives. Imagine a world where innovation ceased, where the abandoned factories and empty streets symbolize a lack of curiosity and drive. Another leg of our journey. Think about the technological advancements we've witnessed in recent decades. The rapid evolution from bulky computers to sleek smartphones, from simple machines to complex artificial intelligence systems, all stem from a deep-seated curiosity to improve and innovate. The internet, smartphones, artificial intelligence, these are not just tools. They are milestones in our journey of curiosity. If we are distracted, there will be no time to explore these questions. So find the balance, and each innovation represents countless hours of questioning, experimenting, and refining. All of these innovations were born out of curiosity. Inventors and entrepreneurs dared to dream big, to ask the difficult questions, and to challenge the status quo. They envisioned a future that was different from the present and worked tirelessly to make it a reality. 1504. Crafted the first empire. Crafted the first empire. Someone dared to ask, what if? What if we could communicate instantly across the globe? What if machines could learn and adapt? These questions sparked a revolution in technology and transformed our world in ways we could never have imagined. They challenged the status quo and pushed the limits of what was possible. Innovators and engineers collaborated, shared ideas, and built upon each other's work, creating a ripple effect of progress that continues to this day. Leave a comment below with a question that has been on your mind lately. Your curiosity could be the seed of the next great innovation. By sharing our questions and ideas, we can inspire each other and drive collective progress. Let's explore together and see where our curiosity takes us. Whether it's in the realm of science, technology, art, or any other field, our collective curiosity has the power to shape the future. So let's embark on this journey of discovery and see what amazing things we can achieve together. Innovation is not limited to the realms of science and technology. It can be found in every aspect of life, from art and music to business and social justice. What do all great innovators have in common? They are all intensely curious. They are constantly asking questions, seeking out new information, and experimenting with new ideas. This relentless pursuit of knowledge is what allows them to break new ground, a gateway to opportunity. Curiosity opens doors. It creates opportunities for learning, growth, and connection. When you are curious, you are more likely to notice things that others miss. You are more likely to make connections between seemingly unrelated ideas. These connections can lead to new insights, new perspectives, and new opportunities. This is upsetting me, and I can't accomplish this by myself. It's time for you to step up. For example, your curiosity about a particular industry could lead you to discover a hidden talent or passion. Curiosity in the workplace. In today's rapidly changing world, curiosity is more important than ever in the workplace. Employers are looking for individuals who are adaptable, resourceful, and eager to learn. Curious employees are more likely to come up with innovative solutions to problems. Leaders must draw from the curiosity in their people to make them better. You cannot go around the question. I say it now. Curiosity in the workplace. Curiosity in the workplace, he said, looking up to his master. They are more likely to be engaged in their work and committed to continuous improvement. Lifelong learning and growth. Curiosity is not just for children. It is a lifelong pursuit that enriches our lives in countless ways. When we stay curious, we keep our minds sharp and engaged. We continue to learn and grow throughout our lives. Never lose your sense of wonder. Embrace your curiosity and let it guide you on a journey of discovery. Cultivating the curious mind. Curiosity is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. There are many ways to cultivate your curiosity. Read widely. Explore new places. Ask questions and engage in meaningful conversations. Surround yourself with people who challenge your assumptions and inspire you to think differently. The never-ending quest. The pursuit of knowledge is a never-ending journey. There will always be more to learn, more to explore, and more to understand. Embrace the unknown, celebrate the mysteries of the universe, and never stop asking questions, for it is through our curiosity that we truly come alive.